Good morning, Year 3, and welcome back to our YouTube channel this week for our lessons. Today is going to be fairly normal in the morning. We're going to have a SPAG lesson, an English lesson, and maths lesson. And alongside that, you can practice your reading skills using the Read Theory accounts. And this afternoon, we have our first Greenridge Be an Athlete challenge uploaded by Mr. Meacham. And then we will be having a history lesson also. So I look forward to seeing your wonderful, wonderful learning from today's lessons. But first of all, let's get started with our morning fluency. So I'm going to share my screen so you can see the questions available to you today. First of all, let's go through our word of the day. Our word of the day today is seldom. Perhaps you can have a go at saying that at home. Seldom. And that means rarely. So you might say, I seldom eat chocolate. Could be an example. I rarely eat chocolate. Perhaps you can have a go at putting that word into a sentence at home as well. For our addition and subtraction this week, we are bridging 10. That means our adding is going to go over a tens barrier. So 59 plus 6, for example, is going to go into the 60s. It's no longer going to stay in the 50s. And similar with the subtraction, 61 take away 2, that's going to drop down to the 50s. And that's what it means when we bridge through 10. For the multiplication this week and the division, we're going to be focusing on our 4 times tables. So you will see lots of facts involving the number 4. And as an extra challenge today, what is the quickest way to solve 345 plus 98? You might all have slightly different methods to that, but what do you think is the quickest way? If you want to pause the video, please do so now and you can have a go at those challenges. If you are ready to move on, we're going to look at those answers together in a moment's time. Let's look at those answers together now then. So for addition, 59 plus 6, we get to 65. 148 plus 6, we get to 154. For subtraction, we have 61 take away 2, which equals 59. 181 minus 4 is equal to 177. For multiplication, 10 times 4 is equal to 40. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. And lastly, for division, we have 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. If you had a go at this one, the way I would solve it is I'd think, right, 345 plus 100, because 98 is very close to 100, would be 445. Now I just need to take away 2, because I added 2 extra ones, because I made 98 up to 100. So if I take away 2, I get 443. That's just one way that you could do it. You might have had a different way yourself. We will pause and finish there, Year 3, but I look forward to seeing you in the other video sessions later today. See you next time.